Hello FS Flyers. For those of you that are new to Google Classroom, I'm going to be giving you just a really quick tutorial of how to work Google Classroom and how to navigate it, especially with our ALCA district trainings that we just started today, Wednesday the 26th. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick walkthrough so you can understand and flow well with Google Classroom. So right now we're taking a look at our screen and you can see all the way at the top we've got the ALCA FMS Classroom 2018 banner. This classroom is going to be live and working for our 3-year initiative with the district. So if you go ahead and follow my mouse real quick, there's just a few things I'm going to point out. First off, this little area that we're taking a look at by default, it's called the stream. And if you follow my mouse or my cursor up to the top, you're going to see that the stream bar itself is highlighted. I can actually go ahead and toggle between something called stream, classwork, and people. So real quick, if I selected people within our classroom, you would actually go ahead and see a list of who are our teachers. So myself is in there. I built the class. We also have our administration as well. And you can see which of our staff has gone ahead and joined. If I go to classwork, or if I toggle back to classwork, what you're going to see here is how all of our information is being stored. So how specific topics are generated, how our modules are being released, all of that information is going to be at your fingertips. And last but not least, I'll go ahead and toggle right back to Stream for all of us. And Stream is where all of that information is getting posted by the teachers or by classmates themselves. So looking at it, it looks a little bit blank, it looks a little bit unknown. So I would suggest one of the best things for new folks to really take a look at first off is this area called the classwork. So I'm going to go back to classwork, and this is all the information that I am posting for our entire staff at any given time. So we have these title bars of Module Series 1, Module Series 1 evals, Series 1 debriefs, and Series 1 challenges. Just so you folks know, the Module 1 series component all the way at the top, this topic is where I'm housing all of the presentation materials delivered by Betty and Maria. And this is also where any of our information is that needs to be printed out. So let me explain briefly. If you open up this piece titled Session 1 Group Session, this is the material that was printed out and delivered to you folks today within your ALCA folder. And that ALCA folder was this guy, all right? Now, not every session is going to be printed from here on out. So our next session, starting on Halloween, Wednesday, October 31st, all of our staff is going to need to make that decision whether they would want to print out this handout or if you'd like to bring your own device and just look at the handout electronically. Now, the second topic I have listed are the evaluations. Now, the evaluations are always going to be available to our staff with that QR code. So briefly, that QR code was this guy. We'll make sure that that's printed out for all of our staff at each session. However, if you do miss a session, or if you prefer to go ahead and have a printout of it yourself, we have the topic of the Module 1 series evaluations. So if I select it with my mouse, there's this evaluation in print form. Our third topic are the debrief sessions. So the debrief sessions, I'll go ahead and open up this first one. This is when you are working with your PLC group to complete that component of discussing with one another and recording the information down. Now for this first session that we had on Wednesday, September 26th, this piece was printed out for you and was delivered to you. Upcoming sessions, debrief session paperwork, will be posted exclusively on our classroom. And the final topic that's posted within this classwork section is called the ALCA Challenge. So if I were to open up the ALCA Challenge, this is our first one that's going to be due on October 31st. That will be our second meeting with Maria and Betty. The ALCA Challenges are what you could consider homework. So if you're trying to figure out what type of homework you have, pieces that you want to make sure to tackle, this topic section, again titled Module Series 1 ALCA Challenges, is where you'll find it. Now, something else I will go ahead and show you folks as well. I'm going to take my mouse or my cursor and I'm going to toggle back to Stream in my header bar. If you take a look at something called Upcoming, this little box section is going to be to the left of your stream. This is where those assignments are going to be listed a little bit easier for you folks to see. Now, if I went ahead and select the View All hyperlink, which I'll go ahead and do right now, View All will go ahead and list every assignment that has been delivered to our staff. So currently, today, Wednesday, September 26th, we have 2 assignments that have been assigned. The debrief, which you are completing with your PLC group immediately following each training session. And our first assignment, I wish the teacher knew. And you can select any one of these assignments to get the details and see what exactly does that assignment entail. So nice and quick and easy, nothing too shabby, too difficult. All right, since I went ahead and opened this assignment, I'm going to go ahead and return to the classroom homepage or the stream. So I'll go ahead and select the ALCA FMS Classroom hyperlink. That'll bring me right back to this landing page or the stream page. I hope this little short tutorial was able to help you. If you folks need any more additional assistance, please don't be afraid to ask. That's what I'm here for. But also, don't be afraid to ask your PLC members. More and more of our staff is getting very comfortable and very familiar with using Google, which makes me super stoked. All right, folks, until next time, I'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.